Hi everyone, welcome back to Hot Wheels Showcase Islamabad. Dear friends, thank you so much for tuning in. I am back with my unboxing video, and this is our card for today from the Matchbox 61 out of 100 MBX Countryside. This pretty car is 1971 MGB Coupe in the red color. The debut wheels, the back side of the car. Our pretty baby is ready for the unboxing. Guys, our red beauty is here after the crack. This pretty car is full of great details, especially on the front and rear bumpers. The headlight details are missing. Tinted windows, black interior, the debut wheels, nice combination. Here is the rear side with the nice details. MB1213, the license plate and the rear lights. That's pretty awesome. (1971) MGB GT Coupe, made in Thailand, Matchbox. Dun, dun, dun. This pretty coupe is ready for some cool races. I hope you guys will enjoy. Now let's go to the race studio. वो तो बकायदा पीछे आ गया वो तो बकायदा पीछे आ गया वो तो बकायदा पीछे आ गया Again winner. Again winner.
ये गया ये गया
सुपर कंटेंट लेंगे मजे आ गए दोनों जीत नहीं पा रही
थोड़ा ही बस था
जीत नहीं पा रही जीत नहीं पा रही
थोड़ा ही बस था आखिरी में जाके ना स्लो हो जाती है
कौन जीता है
ये रेड वाली आखिरी में जाके ना स्लो हो जाती है
कौन जीता है
ये रेड वाली
अल्लाह
फिर खेली फिर खेली